Today we are celebrating the life of a great woman of God, Prophetess Ruth Emmanuel Makandiwa. Mama, you are a blessing to this nation. You have wiped the tears to those who have been crying.
The Bible says, in His favor is life. In this generation, I'm grateful to be the witness of this favor. Hundreds of clean water sources in the rural and the urban communities.
You are a total package of what we need from a mother. We are benefiting from your love, both spiritually and physically. Myself and family, we are direct beneficiaries of your love.
Mama, I saw you. Mama, you saved me. At that time when I could feel the walls of my room closing up on me. At that time when I thought that my heart and my lungs were deceiving me, and trust me, they weren't working at all. At that time when I could feel that my mind was busy working miracles, I could feel as if there was a virus that was busy disturbing my programming. I could feel like there was an acid that was eating me from deep within. When I was in a pit and I felt like there was a mighty beast chasing after me to ravage me. Mama, I saw you. Mama, you saved me.
When a life is preserved, there is a preservation. When there is a concern, there is a determination. I had war from within me, but peace was signed. Who did this? It's a question unanswered. But one word comes to my mind. Mother.
A great philanthropist. Not many words can describe who you really are. Every word that comes out of your mouth brings courage to the listener.
Today we want to wish you a happy birthday. And we wish you many more years filled with joy, peace and love.
Not only did I see the light, but now I know I am the light. And I know that I am a mighty woman, authentic woman with virtue. So on behalf of Kuwadzana Extension and Pastor Mukanda, we wish you the happiest birthday of all, Mama.
I would try to put this on paper and make it a rhyme, but the love you give is something from inside me. On behalf of Kuwadzana Extension, I would like to say happy birthday. Celebrate your month. It is a season worth celebrating.
We are most grateful to you, Mama Prophetess Ruth Emmanuel Makandiwa. And from Kuwadzana Extension, we wish you a happy birthday.
You have brought laughter to those who are in sorrow. We thank God for your life, Mama. We thank God for giving us such a great woman. You have given shelter to those who had no shelter. Through the agape, you have helped all the widows, orphans, as well as the underprivileged. They are benefiting from agape. We thank you, Mama, for your love. When we look at you, you are a love personified. We thank God for your presence in our lives. We love you, Mama. As Kuwadzana Extension Zone, led by Pastor Aram Kanda, we say happy birthday, Mama. May the good Lord give you more years to live for us to benefit from you. We thank God for your life. Happy birthday, Mama, once more.